In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do toe curls on a towel bilaterally. So firstly, all you need for this is a towel laid out in front of you. I'm also seated on a chair for this exercise. And bilateral simply means affecting both sides. So in this case, we're going to be doing toe curls with both feet as opposed to just one. So I'm using this towel here on a carpet surface, which is substantially harder than if I was going to use the towel on something like a laminate surface. Both work, however, to actually get this towel moved towards me on a carpet surface, it is much harder. So it's a progression of the exercise. We'd start off with a nice flat surface, which is really smooth, and then we go to something a bit more abrasive for the progression using something like carpet. So if you are using carpet and it's really hard, don't be surprised, it will be. This exercise is often used in physiotherapy. It's a good exercise with sports podiatrists as well. It improves intrinsic foot muscles as well as trying to support the arch, reduce foot injuries and improve overall foot strength. So what I'm going to do here is I've got both feet completely facing forwards, and from here I'm going to almost try to claw my toes into the towel. So I'm trying to dig into the towel with my toes and then claw it towards me. My whole foot stays completely on the floor, so I don't bring my foot up at all. It's just the toes that claw in, and each time I do this, it would be a repetition. So you can see here, I'm clawing the toes in and bringing the towel closer towards my body. You would do that for your desired sets and repetitions, and that would be how you would do bilateral toe curls.